Hello. Speaking, yes. This is he. It is. The camera is rolling. Who's this? Oh. Wow, you can talk. Hmm. Yeah. They're never gonna believe me. Well, yeah, I know. I didn't buy it. But look, a cord is a solid connection. Doesn't need to be charged. Well, I'm glad you have a sense of humor. Yeah, it's crazy. I don't really know. I figured I could just love you guys and play with rocks and try to work on myself. Yeah, I don't know. There's a ton of plastic. Everything's made of plastic. Not even here. Ah, yeah, a lot of shouting. Shouting for love seems bizarre to me. You don't think it's the way to go? Aye, we're wounded. I'm fine. Oh, you mean inside? How do you know all this? Okay, yeah, I guess you've been around a little longer. Hey, can I ask you something? When you guys drop your leaves and needles, do you get sad about that? Oh no? Hmm. See, I feel like if my hair fell out, uh, it wouldn't be a celebration. Process. I guess you're right. We do hate process, and we hardly realize it. Everything's in process, right? Cycles, dark and light, moon and the sun, well, among many others. Hmm. I hope we don't get into that kind of Atlantean scale of trouble. Love is the key. That's a good point. If we love and value ourselves, then we don't hurt other people. And we feel a sense of pride, value, and well being. So we gotta just wait around and fix ourselves until the fire goes out. It puts the fire out. I guess that's a different way of looking at it. Hmm. Yeah, you're right. We do. We love forests. You all are very different. Different species, and well, I know. You're definitely more than lumber. I'm breathing your air right now that you made for me. Hmm. Yeah, I try. Gratitude seems to be important to see what's here now. So while we're in the process, each step of the way, we can feel what we're doing and pay attention to it. It's really hard. Kind of taught by our culture to just like chop you guys down with no regard and hate ourselves. Mm, okay, this is good information. I never learned any of this stuff in school. Do you want to know when the Civil War ended? Yeah, it's about that useful. Well, maybe we could talk again. Tell me some more about this process thing. It sounds like it's the way to be happy as we live and acknowledging. I guess we are always in process, one foot in front of the other. Mm. All right. Thank you so much. know you're beautiful. We both can be in different ways and celebrate our differences without getting really mean and or snowflakey, as some might say. I gotta hear more about this stuff. All right. Sleep well. Would you? Yeah, there it is. I was looking for the joke. All right, I'll talk with you soon. Thanks again. That's amazing. Bye-bye now.